You know, Valentine's Day is almost here.
But of course. It is my favorite of all the holidays.
Really? That's a little surprising.
Why?
Well, you know, I guess I just don't see you as the romantic sort.
Don't label me. You don't know me.
Okay. Sorry. Do you have any plans for Valentine's Day?
Maybe.
Maybe. Don't you know?
You may as well know. I'm going to see Mamma Mia at the Orpheum.
Are you gay?
What? What does that have to do with anything?
It's okay if you are. It's considered quite chic now to be gay.
Listen. I just want to go and get my groove on. I want to sing along to all my favorite ABBA songs.
Gay.
Stop it. You can't make me feel bad about myself. I love ABBA.
Gay.
Stop it. Don't you love ABBA? Dancing Queen. Voulez-vous? Honey honey.
Gay.
Stop it. Listen. Why don't you come with me? We'll have a blast.
What? And have people think we're a couple? No way.
Okay, but check this out.
What the hell is that?
It's my groove. This is how I'm going to dance when I get to the Orpheum Theatre.
Pick me up at 7?
Bitch.